Find the value of sine 600 degree tan within bracket minus 690 degree. First write the question. Sine 600 degree into tan of minus 609 degree. Here 600 degree and 609 degree both are not acute angles. So we cannot apply the standard angle formulas or standard values of the angle. We have to use the formula as of associative angle, and we have to see in which quadrant the angles are falling. It is known that there are 4 quadrants, and we have to define in which quadrant which angle is falling. This is first quadrant, second, third, fourth, as usual, meaning first quadrant all positive, second quadrant sine and its reciprocal, that is cosec positive, and cosec, third quadrant tan and its reciprocal cot, fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal sec are positive. To check 600 or 690 in each quadrant falling, we will divide either 90 or 180 or whatever will be easy to us. Now divide 600 degree by 90. What will be? See, 6 9 the 54, 600 remaining. So 600 degree can be written as 90 degree into 6 plus remainder 60 degree. Similarly, divide 690 degree by 90 degree. Now we can 7 9 the 63, remainder is 60. So 690 can be written as, that is equal to 90 degree into 7 plus 60 degree. Now see, these two we write first this way. This is equal to sine 600 degree is equal to sine 600, in place of 600 writing this 90 degree into 6 plus 60 degree. Tan of this minus writing outside. See why we will write outside? Because anything angle is falling fourth quadrant except cos, all are negative. Tan of this angle or generally tan of minus, suppose tan of minus theta is equal to minus of tan theta. Why it is so? Minus angle means negative angle, so it is falling in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant only cos and sec positive, so tan negative, but theta in this case 690 degree. Actually it will not fall fourth quadrant, it may be any other quadrant, But whenever we will use the formula, always theta will be assumed as an acute angle. So here minus 690, we will assume to use the formula 690 as an acute angle. So this minus will be taken out here. 690, for 690 writing this 90 degree into 7 plus 60 degree, that is equal to minus sign as it is 690, 1 here 190, 290, 390, 490, 590, 690, it will be here. After that 60 degree, that means it is falling third quadrant sign negative, and it is the even multiple of 90 degree, so sign will remain sign. So for this writing, giving bracket for better understanding, minus y minus, again discussing 2 into 90, 90, 90, 2 into 90 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, end will end here, plus 60 degree third quadrant. So this angle means 600 degree angle will be falling in the third quadrant sign negative. So this negative symbol, sign will remain sign because of even multiple. 6 is even number. So sign will remain sign, and this angle will be 60 degree. Now next for this case, now close this second bracket, again second bracket start. 7, 90 degree and 7 into 7. So 90, here already we have assumed, we have calculated 6 will end here, 7 will be in here, then 60 degree fourth quadrant only cos and sec negative, cos and sec positive, others negative, so tan will be negative symbol. Odd multiple of 90, so tan will be cot will be tat, and so on. So cot 60 degree, that is formula is used. In this case sin 90 degree into n plus theta, that is equal to sin theta, here symbol depending on in which quadrant falling, and even multiple, if it is even multiple, then will be sign will remain same. Now simplification, minus 1 whole to the power cube, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cot 60 degree 1 by root 3. Now root 3 will get cancelled, minus 1 whole to the power odd number minus 1 by 2 answer. So the value of sin 600 degree into tan of 609 degree, that is equal to minus half. Anyone may follow other method means basic method same. We can express 600 180 degree into n plus minus. So therefore sin 160 degree 600 degree into tan of minus 609 degree 390 degree, that is equal to minus half. Thank you very much.